Welcome back to my vlog on Thailand trip with my girls. So, after the last night shopping, exploring, and everything, we were so tired that we slept off and we basically skipped our breakfast and decided to go directly on a brunch. So, right opposite to our hostel, there was an Egyptian restaurant, and we thought of exploring that. And over there, the person suggested us a couple of things which we thought of trying, and it was really, really yum. After that, we decided to go to a nearby beach which is known as Freedom Beach. So, we took a cab again, we booked it online, and we went there. After reaching there, we realized that you really need to walk nearly 600 meters down for the beach and again walk all the way up to reach the main road. And also we met an Indian couple who told please don't go there, the road is very very bad. And also the girl had got stung by jellyfish, so there were many jellyfishes on that beach, and they suggested us to go to another beach called Katanoi, and we thought of going there instead. It was a nice drive and we went through some beautiful places, and finally we reached the Katanoi beach. So if you're in Phuket, you can even think about going to the Patong beach, which is also a very good option and was very near to the place where we were staying. So there were a lot of shopping options at the Katanoi beach, and finally we reached there. There are a lot of adventure options as well if you want to try out. We actually went there to sit, relax and enjoy the sunset, which we actually did. so we were just sitting and enjoying, relaxing. The breeze was cool, though it was a very sunny day, but then it was almost evening and we were enjoying our time together. You can also get some small snacks like ice cream and other stuffs on the beach, and you can also get a recliner wherein you can lie down and you can enjoy the view. Sports, there were a lot of activities, but then we didn't go because we literally wanted to relax. There were also some jellyfishes, but not as much as what was told in the Freedom Beach. Then we went to 7-Eleven, which is our most favorite destination. We got a couple of snacks for us. We ate a few on our way back to the hostel, and we also carried some so that we can go and we can have it over there. And trust me, again, I am saying if you are going to Thailand, please make sure that you visit 7-Eleven and you buy food and drinks from there because they are amazing. So we took everything, built, and then we started walking, explored the nearby market, and then we took our cab and then we went straight to our hostel. By now, we were so tired and we thought of just going and resting, but then we were also very hungry. And literally, my friends were craving for Indian food. So we explored and we checked on our Google map and we finally got an Indian restaurant which had good reviews, which was near to our hostel. We went there, and as usual, you can see that I am having the Thai green curry. So this is like an obsession. Okay, if I like something, I keep on doing the same thing, no matter whether it is 100 times, 1,000 times, or whatever it is. My friends also ordered biryani and some Indian curries. I think it was some paneer butter masala and all, but the food was really really yum. They also gave us dessert that was also yum. And finally we just walked our way back to the hostel because I told you that our hostel was very very near to this place, and it was already very late night. We just went upstairs to explore our hostel, which we couldn't do because we were actually resting, traveling and other stuff. So this is like a common area where you have TV and games, you can put Netflix, you can enjoy with your friends or whoever is there in the hostel. And you have the recliners and swing and other things. You have a common area where you can wash whatever you want, or else if you want you can use the oven and you can cook something, and all those stuffs were there. So we just explored everything, and then we were so tired that we decided to just go pack everything and sleep because the next day we had an early morning flight which we had to catch, and we had to go back to Bangkok. So we were in Phuket, and from there we took an early morning flight and we came back to Bangkok. The idea was to be in Bangkok for 2 days and then travel back to India. So as we got up really early and we had to catch our flight, we went straight to the airport, and over there we had a lot of options for eating and we thought of having our breakfast from there. So as I told, cup of noodles is something which is very famous there and you can easily grab one. You can take and they'll fill hot water for you and you can mix it up and eat. And there were also other options for beverages. So we took our favorite flavors. We had our breakfast, and then we were enjoying in the airport, and that's when we saw this cute little cleaner. And then we took our flight, which was basically Thai Air Asia, and then we came down to Bangkok. So the plan for Bangkok was already almost half the day was gone. We were planning to go to our hostel, keep everything, get freshen up, and then go for shopping and just seeing the famous shopping places in Bangkok. So we came back to the same hostel from where we started day one, because we kept our stuffs and everything over there, and we started for our Phuket Krabi journey, as we have restrictions in carrying the amount of things when you are going within Thailand. So then we went to Platinum Mall and some other nearby places. So over there, the food options and everything are really good. And we have heard that there are a lot of options for Platinum Mall, and you cannot cover the entire thing in 1 or 2 hours, which was so true, because the mall is so huge and there were so many shops, so many options, that you literally need an entire day for that. And remember, whenever you are going to the mall, please carry one entire suitcase with you, so that you can dump everything over there, whatever you are buying, and it'll be easy for you to carry, because having hundreds
Everything
of shopping
ranging
bag
from
with you will
fashion
be very
accessories
tough.
to dresses to home decor to shoes and what not.
I mean, there are so many options. On top, when you go, you have the food court. We thought of trying out this restaurant because it was so
They had
cute.
like so many teddy bears all around the restaurant where you can sit with them, cuddle, and you can have yummy food. And the food also was so yum. So we had this chicken fry kind of thing, and we had that juice, and we were literally enjoying the vibe. Remember, when you are in Thailand, you have to try their spring rolls, and they are so yummy. And we also tried their pizza, which was very thin crust, and it was really yummy. Whatever we had over here was really good. And we had the plans of coming back tomorrow again, because as I told you, you cannot finish Platinum Mall in just one day. And we were like, okay, we are going to come back to the same place, and also you'll get a lot of drinks and everything, whatever you want. And then we went back again for shopping. There were some places which were very similar to Miniso, and this was called Moshi Moshi, and they had such cute things that you literally want to buy everything out So
there.
we purchased a couple of things, but then we kept majority of it for the next day, because next day our flight was in late night and we were like, okay, we had the whole day to shop.
And as I told, you really need time when you're coming to shop over here. So the day was almost over. We thought of going back to our hostel and taking a good rest, because we were really tired of traveling for so many days. So we had some food, some snacks, and everything. We explored the places which had
So
the
you can
best
see over
deals.
here, you can also get a lot of customized things out there. I got a lot of customized things for my friends and family and for myself as well. You can choose the kind of skin that you want, you can choose a charm that you want, and they can do it for you. So this is how the entire mall looks like from outside, and this is we going back to the same place the next day. So we went out there again. We knew which all the places we had to cover, which we knew which all the places we haven't covered, and we started exploring. Also, there are a lot of options where you can get like watches and other things at very cheap rate, but then again you have to be very mindful that these won't stay for very long, because these are like very cheap. So you have like places where you get very cheap ones also, and you have places where you get authentic good costly stuffs as well. We were very hungry, so we went up to the same teddy shop, and then we had these amazing food. My God, that mango sticky rice was the best dessert that I've ever had in my life. And if you're going to Thailand, or if you're going to any authentic Thai place in the mango season, please make sure that you go and try it out, because this is really great. We also had pad Thai noodles and some other stuffs. So I wanted to buy a suitcase, because I had so much of things that I've shopped, and I needed some space to keep it. So we all purchased different suitcases. We headed back to our hostel, and then we already things were packed. We just shifted to the new one, a couple of things that were lying outside, and we went back to the airport. Over there, we realized that we have nicely overpacked and we are little high over the limit. So we sat, we unpacked, we shifted, we did some kind of jugaad and we managed everything. And then we started the check in process. And once that was done, we said a very big goodbye to our amazing vacation and we headed back to Bangalore, which we reached at around like 11:30, and we reached back home by around 1:30. Trust me, this was the best trip of my life. And if you are a girl or especially a mom listening out there, please take that girl's trip because it's going to heal you so much and it will be the best trip of your life. Bye bye.